Good morning, brothers and sisters. Today is Tuesday, May 27, 2025. Our daily gospel according to St. John chapter 16 verses 5 to 11. We will just read the very core of this message in verse 7. But very truly I tell you, it is for your good that I am going away. Unless I go away, the advocate will not come to you. But if I go, I will send him to you. The gospel of the Lord. Our gospel, our message, our topic, the advocate will continue and implement the advocacy of Jesus. First, Jesus is against and hated totally all kinds and any forms of sin. Si Jesus ay laban at lubos na kinasusuklaman ang lahat ng uri at anumang anyo ng kasalanan. Second, Jesus is pleased and rewarded those who will live with His righteousness. Si Jesus ay nalulugod at ginagantimpalaan ang mga mamumuhay sa kanyang katuwiran. Third, Jesus is won already. He defeated and condemned already the prince or the ruler of this world. Si Jesus ay nanalo na, tinalo at tinatulan na niya ang prinsipe o ang pinuno ng sanlibutan ito. Magandang umaga and God bless us all.